What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Steve Plays 42, and you're not gonna believe it, but today we just got a new boat, and dude, so oh my, like it's amazing, and I can't guys, I never even checked inside. I haven't even took a tour on it yet. So yeah, we just got this, and not only that, but we got a jet ski. We're wanting to take some tours. Dad's working on a jet ski right here. I think he's trying to get oil in it and stuff. So me and Mom, we all wanted to take a tour in the boat.
I don't see where the steps are keeping.
So I don't know where the opening is. The opening. I just know that. I just know that there's like rooms in this boat. Like there's actually rooms. Let's see what happens. What's that doing?
This don't actually take a key, it takes us.
Well, it's a key's for.
Oh.
This
So
don't take
Ohio 4904.
Move, I want to take a picture of Dad.
Well, I can't get it to the turn.
This is a yacht. I don't even know. Yacht club.
Yamaha.
Yama. That does not make sense. I was looking down there.
Oh, that's just the name of the.
I don't know what that's supposed to be. Hey, Mom, how are you even supposed to get into the boat?
I'll show you.
We'll get in the boat in. So we'll have to look.
I'm gonna pause the video.
On that.
Hey guys, we're on a jet ski here. Alright, pause the video again.
Bobby, go like this.
Wait, here's the.
Oh, we'll take a picture.
Okay, wait. Guys, let me pause the video so I can take a picture for Mom. It's off like constantly, so that's what happened. So I have to pause it again. Right, I just unpaused it, but I was going to say, like, the video is just ending off constantly because this thing called CPU cooling, I don't even know what that is. I'm going to jump off of this with severe injury or death. I'm a master jumper. We're planning to kind of get this on going, and then we have to take a tour in the boat. The big fat boat. Big fat. Big fat
That's a
boat.
big jet ski,
And that's a big boat.
isn't it?
Yeah, it is a jet ski and it's big.
It's a wave runner.
Mhm.
That's what Mommy wants to ride.
Because, hey guys, we have some technical difficulties. A jet ski.
Nope, I'll just.
You don't have to slap your little jet ski. It's a beautiful jet ski. In the boat.
That's why I want to take pictures on.
I guess we're planning to go take our tour. So, let's kind of take a...
Papa's like, you can just wax this down.
Wait a second. I can see a little window.
There goes Daddy.
Hey. What?
Yo, watch Daddy how he gets up there, and then you get up there. In your phone.
I can't.
Yes, you can. You want me to pause it?
No, don't pause it. I can get up here. Hey guys, this is what it's like when Steve Plays 42 has to... Guys, I never even like been in this.
He's cleaned up. Now, Bob.
I really want to go.
Then you jump off into the water.
No, I just really want to go in a... Wait, we can just jump off.
Boat loop. So you can.
Save somebody.
So you can what? Why is there a boat loop?
They're hooks to hook onto the dock. Pull yourself up.
Oh.
I want to get in the boat. How are you supposed to get in a room?
There's a handle right here.
Gosh, guys. Maybe one day I can even vlog us being in the boat. Are you getting up? Seats are comfy when they're
So that's to push off.
less stinky.
And
Mom, how do we get into another room?
Hold on. We gotta wait for Daddy.
I don't know what's in there, so I want to show you.
Clean up.
Guys, I don't even know what's under this yet, so you guys can show me. Yeah, I don't know what's in there.
probably handles
Oh,
go down in here.
We could put an American flag on there like everyone else, can't we?
yeah, American flag.
I don't know exactly what.
Hey, don't try to give out information. Well, yeah, in America. American flag, yeah.
Watch out. Get over there if Daddy's gonna. You can sit in the driver's seat in a minute.
Okay. Oh, guys, that is decent. That's what you guys saw on the video, and I didn't even know.
Oh, look at the bed, bub.
That's a bed.
Yep.
This is weird.
This is your poles for your.
Canopy.
This here.
Oh.
That's what keeps the water running.
Guys, I never saw a boat like this. Like, well, where's the drive? Where's the drivers go?
Right here.
Wait, what?
Right here.
How are they supposed to see?
Well, Bub, that tarp will come off. There's a windshield.
Oh, well, whatever. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go take the tour down here, basically. Yeah, here's what it would look like when you're like
Pump alert.
right here in the room.
It's got a CD radio.
Mom, come here. Mom,
I'm coming.
come down here. There's even like a bed right here, guys. Ew, there's a stink bug. There's even like a bed right here. Like, look.
Oh my God, there's a toilet. We don't even have to get off here. Look.
A toilet. There's a toilet in here.
We don't even have to get off the boat.
Mom, by the way, there's a bed right here.
There is?
Yeah.
So, Mommy and Daddy, and then, oh, look, Bubby can sleep up there. There's a bed.
Yeah, there is.
Sink, little stove.
Here's the top, look. The top.
Yeah, I told you it was in here. Flares.
So, should we go down here?
There's a flare kit. Light bulb. You want that?
And then you can kind of, once we clean it, like you can also just look out the window. Hey, Mom.
What?
Even once we clean it, when we're like in here or something, we can still see because there's a little window.
I know there's windows back here too.
Yeah, we'll get things.
I don't see the face
Straight.
of the radio.
I never thought there's a bedroom. Like, because as I was coming down, I saw this little hole. I'm like, wait, what's down here? I'm just going to go under there. And then I see this. Like, this is amazing. All right, guys, let's go towards some more, but look.
There's the master control. Look, see what's in this shelf.
Master control. Wait, is there other things in the shelf?
There's
There's,
another top in here too.
but Mom, there's lots. I mean, yeah, there's lots of stink bugs.
Oh, well, Bob, we gotta clean it out.
I know, but why is there so much stink bugs?
Because they're annoying.
There's a screen for that.
So,
Well, we even got a refrigerator.
Here's a table.
yeah, that's amazing.
Got a place here for
Oh gosh, so guys, I'll have to kind of explore more. What?
You like it?
Yeah, I have to kind of explore more around it. Here's yeah, the window's like short. I've never had a boat, so it's kind of weird. You can even see the roof. Now our roof's not naturally white, but this one is because I have leaks in my roof a lot. So how would it be like to be like driver? Like that's what I'm wondering. So I'm gonna go in the driver's seat. Okay. So we have all this. We have, I guess, the speed. This will be amazing when we're able to drive this. So we have the speed. We have, well, this. That doesn't even need to be there. We have the oil, the temp. I don't even. Yeah, the cold or hot. You have the hummingbird. I don't even know what that is. The depth. I don't know. And we have all this stuff. The quartz thingy, the fuel, the trim, the miles per hour, the bat. We even have this right here. And we have these. We have like, hey Mom, we have a walkie-talkie down here too.
You do?
Up here, look.
Hold on.
There's a white walkie-talkie. It's a Cobra walkie-talkie. Wait, Mom, remember those Cobra walkie-talkies? Remember?
Shower.
Yeah, that's what the shower.
Oh my God.
Mama,
What?
remember that Cobra, the black Cobra walkie-talkies I have?
Yes.
Well, there's a white one up here.
I know.
You didn't know. You're the one asking about it. So what is there? Showers?
Yeah. You grab a hold of this to come down.
So you don't fall really? bad?
So you take a shower just in the bathroom. Like.
There's the drain.
That's weird. Hold on, let me see. Let me show. So that's what you do. It's
So you could literally stay overnight on this, right?
yeah. Like when you go camping, it's possible. Gosh, I can't wait to camp again. We didn't get to go camping this fall. Guys, there's my reflection.
Oh, it's got the fridge.
Hey, what's this? VM sound. Is there a radio or something like music?
Huh?
Is there music in here or something? Because there's like a radio.
Yeah, the face. I don't see the face of the radio.
I thought this is it.
Huh?
Something right here.
No, that's the speakers.
Oh. What are these speakers for?
We gotta get a radio, and then we'll have radio.
Oh. So yeah, this is gonna be like relaxing in here. Take nights on the lake. Let me like show you guys the bathroom before we end off the video here.
So somewhere or another, it's got a thing where you can run AC/DC.
And we have a disgusting. And there's even pink stuff in the sink. I don't know what that is, but
What is
It's a
that?
flashlight.
hey, flashlight.
I was hoping to run across the keys.
You might still.
I'm gonna pause the video so then when I
Charge it
can,
up.
you know. Alright guys, I'm really gonna quickly go in here. So here's how it'd be like. So
Water heater.
there we are. It's just like look, like you just get a shower like this, like it's that simple. And you can like sit in here, and then there's a sink, and then there's the drain. Like basically, you just get a shower in the room. Like it doesn't even matter. We have this. That's RV toilet. VR. Okay, let's go back here. Well, guys, that's the tour basically.
There's some kind of little curtain went here
I
too.
guess let me go show you guys the jet ski one more time, then we're gonna end off the video. I'm gonna go show the jet ski again. Like, guys, we never even owned a boat, so this is kind of cool. Guys, it's a long way down here. So, should I jump from here or should I not? That's a question that I don't want to do, actually. Gosh, guys, I almost fell. Guys, I'm gonna lay my phone right here. I'm gonna pause it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the jet ski just one more time so that we can end off the video. And yeah, and then I may even make a vlog at Caesars Creek of me. I don't even know. So yeah guys, yeah. Alright guys, you can just like lay on here, it's just comfy. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.